Welcome, dear students of class 7th. Subject Maths, dated 27th of July 2020. Today's topic is आज हम एक नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं. It's liners and anglers. Liners and anglers. Let's move ahead. Let's see what is the first question of this chapter. It's chapter number 5. Remember this. It's chapter number 5, and its first question is फाइंड द कम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एंगल्स. पहला सवाल है, पहला क्वेश्चन है, हमने कम्प्लीमेंट को ढूंढना है, कम्प्लीमेंट निकालना है एंगल्स के कम्प्लीमेंट्स. तो इससे पहले कि हम कम्प्लीमेंट के बारे में पढ़ें या आगे ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करें, हम ये जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि कम्प्लीमेंट क्या चीज़ होता है. रिमेंबर दिस, अगर हमारे पास दो एंगल्स हैं, angle 1 and angle 2. If we have two angles, let's see, one is angle 1 and another is angle 2. Definitely there will be some measure of these two angles. One of the angle will be of some degree and another angle will also be of some degree. For example, अगर ऐसे angle 1 छ देत 70 degree, you know these angles are always measured in degrees. This smallest, this little zero like this super subscript to the 70, it's called a degree. It is symbol of degree. Angle 1 is 70 degree and let us say that angle 2 is 20 degree. Okay, the sum of these two angles, sum of angle 1 plus angle 2, okay, it's equal to 90 degree. 70 plus 20, that is equal to 90 degree. So we can say अगर ऐसे निशम ज एंगल छ इमन दोन एंगलन हुंस मेजर युस छ येल इस्ता टोटल करो, सम करो, तो सुनेर अगर सो द्राव बराबर 90 degree. So we call that these two angles, angle 1 ते बे angle 2, these are छ complementary angles. Okay, गो एम सत लोग इस्तिल पता कि अगर ऐसे निश ज एंगल आसन यमन हुंद सम आस बराबर 90 degrees, तिमन एंगलन छ तेल वनान complementary angles. Okay, so this is now clear. The sum of the measures of the complementary angles is always 90 degree, or in other words we can say that if you have two angles and the total sum of those two angles equals to 90 degree, we can give a name to those two angles as complementary angles. For example, if one of the angle is, this is example, if one of the angle is 60 degree, definitely another angle will be equal to 30 degree to complete the complement. Okay, to make them complementary angles. So angle 1 is 60 degree, angle 2 will be definitely 30 degree, because 60 plus 30 it equals to 90 degree, and we can say that angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary angles. Now you are now clear about this, what complementary angles are. Very short and very concise, very brief explanation, definition for all of you is that whenever you have two angles, set of angles, if the total sum of those two angles equals to 90 degree, you call those angles as complementary angles. Okay, let us see what is the question. Question first of your exercise is 20 degree. Okay, the question is given, it's 20 degree, we will have to find its complement. Definitely complementary angles का जो sum होता है वो 90 degree होता है. So what will be the complement? Complement will be equal to 90 degree is the total sum of the two complementary angles. One of the angle is 20 degree, this is 20 degree, one of the angle. What will be the complement? It will be total 90 degree minus 20 degree that will be equal to 70 degree. So this is the answer, 70 degree. Okay, 70 degree is the answer. It means that complement of 20 is 70, because complement means, what is complement? It means that degree or that amount or that value which adds the given question to make it 90 degree. Okay, so complement of 20 is equal to 70 degree because complementary angles are always equal to 90 degree. 70 plus 20, 20 and 70, when these two values are added, we will get 90 degree. So let's move ahead. I will explain question number second. It's part second. 63 degree. The given one of the among the two angles, one of the angle is 63 degrees. You will have to find the complement of this 63. What is the complement? A complement is the value that if added to this given value 63, it will make the total sum equals to 90 degrees. So what is the complement of 60 degree? It is equal to 90 degree total minus 63 degree. Okay, minus 63 degree, so that will come out as 90 minus 63, it is equal to 27 degrees. So this is 27 is the complement of what? 63. Or we can say in other words, angle 1 which is equal to 63 degree given angle 2 has come out as 27 degree to be complemented to 63. So angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary angles. These two angles are complementary because these two angles have a total sum of 90 degree, because 63 and 27 equals to 90 degree. So this is all about the today's topic, and I will just want to ask you to go through this video and try to understand what complementary angles are. और जो आगे मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस एज एन असाइनमेंट अपलोड करने वाला हूँ, और उन क्वेश्चंस के आप आंसर्स देंगे और उसी तरह से प्रैक्टिस करते रहेंगे, ताकि आपके एग्जाम्स में, आने वाले एग्जाम्स में जो क्वेश्चन इस रिलेटेड आपसे पूछे जाएंगे, आप आसानी से उनके जवाब देंगे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.